Hello! Join us in celebrating the Bach Flower remedies, established by Dr. Edward Bach in England in 1928, nearly 100 years ago. Dr. Bach believed that emotional balance and happiness with who we are lead to health, healing, and wellness. Today's featured remedy is Aspen. Here's an example of someone whose emotional balance can be restored with Aspen. Alice often wakes up in the morning with a knot in her stomach. She doesn't know why. She has this strange feeling that something bad is going to happen. The feeling continues throughout the day, and sometimes she wakes up frightened during the night without knowing why or remembering a dream. How does Aspen help? Aspen replaces apprehension and vague fears with a sense of security and peace of mind. Self-assess your present emotional state and the recommended remedy for it with the free online Bach Flower Questionnaire available at bachflower.com and directly from nature.com. Thank you for your visit. Please like and subscribe.